Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix encrypt contents to secure data grayed out in Windows 11, 10. Open Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system. Click and expand current control set, click and expand control, click file system. Change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.